right, good morning. It's Saturday. Got the test on Monday, and I know that I missed. There's a couple that I did not get to in class. Thought I'd start with those, and if more questions roll in this weekend, I'll just keep adding to them. So check them out. Let me know what questions you have. This is from the 2012 MCs, question 90, and this is another one of those U substitutions where they keep it in, well, not use, T's this time. Um, but we got to do some conversions, like a halfway process where we don't actually complete the integral, we just rewrite it. So here's how it's going to look. We've got f of 2x, and they're going to switch to t's. So I'm going to do this. Instead of u substitution, I'm going t substitution, which just a variable. dt dx is going to be 2. So if I do some rearranging, that would mean that dt equals 2 dx. Okay, so if I go back here, I'm going to do some solving. I'm going to substitute back into here. I've got the integral. I'm going to deal with these boundaries in a second. F of 2x, which is now f of t, dx is going to get replaced with a 1 half dt. I'm going to move that 2 over. Now, and this is equal to, looks like a 10 up here. Okay, I am going to now adjust my boundaries. My boundaries were 6 and 12, but if I'm going to go to t's, then I need to plug in 6 for x, which means that my t is now going to be a 12. I'm going to plug in a 12 for my x, which means this boundary is now going to be a 24. Okay. Now, this 1 half I can throw out front as a coefficient in front. So now I'm looking a lot like my choices here, except for this 1 half. So I'm just going to multiply both sides by 2, and I think I have room here. It's going to leave me with a 12, a 24, and f of t dt, and this is going to equal 10 times 2, which is 20, which I think is this guy. Okay. You might see one of these. You do u substitution or t substitution, you adjust, and you leave it like in the process. And one of the things you're going to need to do is adjust your boundaries to fit that new variable. Okay, let me know if you have questions.